Biomed is very rare right now. The field needs more people. And the people who are in it now are getting at the retirement age, so they're looking for biomeds all the time. My name is Misty Stewart. I went to school at Centura College in Virginia Beach, and my job title is biomedical technician. I wanted to become a U.S. Marshal, but then I joined the Coast Guard and it kind of changed my perspective. I did law enforcement down south, drug dealers and all that stuff, and then I kind of got burnt out. I wanted to do something else. I wanted to be more hands-on. I couldn't be behind a desk. I found out about their biomedical program through the Facebook. It looked interesting. I always wondered who fixes the medical stuff when it gets broken. It worked out for me. I met good people, made some connections. Biomedical technician is an associate degree, and I finished October of this year. My experience here was very, very good. They work with you. They give you options, either night class or day class. They help you if you have daycare issues, transportation issues. They want to teach you. They don't want to prevent you from getting a higher education that you deserve. The instructors are very good. Some of them have been in the industry for a long time. They have the experience and the knowledge to help you succeed. If you had a problem, you can talk to someone and they'll help you. After I graduated, I internshiped for Merco Biomedical. They had me going to different medical facilities. The critical equipment that I mostly work with is vital monitors, ventilators, and IV pumps. Those are most popular because most of the patients that are using them can't get out of bed and need the machine to do the work for them, so they have to have a machine that works. There's different rankings. There's a Biomed 1, that's what you are when you graduate, and then it's 2 and 3. It's very ongoing because medical equipment advances, so your training really never ends. Also, it's very hands-on and kind of problem solving, and you gotta remember how it goes back together, how this piece goes into this piece, what not to touch. And the biggest thing for all the equipment is electrical safety. Make sure that there's no exposed wires, because if something happens and there's a wire exposed, we can get in trouble, the hospital can get in trouble. If you know the basics of how the machine operates, then you know the basics of what usually breaks and what usually needs to be replaced. I'm enjoying it right now. I fix a machine, I test it, it works, I get excited, I look at it and I'm like, I fixed it, so now they can use it. And you kind of feel like pride and proud because you fixed that piece of equipment to help someone live or do their job. This is probably a career I'm going to stick with until retirement.